Welcome to another episode with your girl Bertie, and today I'm sitting here. Was that proper English construction? Welcome to another episode. It is your girl, and I'm sitting here with Simone. The za is just to add the twing. Twing. Thank you. Welcome to EcoPo, where we explore the fascinating water-filled research, lab codes, and behind the science. Hi, Simone. How are you?
Good, and you?
Do you like the nickname?
Yeah.
Be serious. Give me power. Thank you. I'm good as well.
I'm glad.
So what is it that you're doing under WRG? Because I've overheard from Tinkerbell that you're doing things, you're dealing with things that we eat there by other restaurants. So please enlighten us.
So I'm currently a second-year master's student, and I am doing my master's in ecotoxicology, where I test if indigenous species can be used as test organisms for toxicity tests.
It sounds like well-organized organisms. So what is it that you're testing? What is it that you're looking for?
So I am looking if the freshwater shrimp, the Caradina africana, is more sensitive to specifically zinc and mercury contamination compared to Daphnia magna. And I'm also doing it on the fish, that is the African turquoise killifish compared to Dania reria.
So that indigenous shrimp, we can eat it?
No.
Sharp. You mentioned mercury and zinc, and you said that they behave differently. So can you please explain further?
So zinc is an essential metal, which means all organisms use it to function, and it helps with the biological processes inside the body. But it can be toxic when they are available in high concentrations in the water. But mercury is toxic at lowest concentrations.
So, woo! So in light of your findings, what recommendations would you make for a regulator? In light of your findings, what recommendations would you make for environmental risk assessments that currently rely on the main organisms, which is the Daphnia, the magma?
So I would definitely advise to use indigenous species as well, because they are locally adapted to the ecosystem. So they respond very differently to the metals and contamination that's happening in the ecosystem.
So how do you find the indigenous organisms, the species, at the museum?
Now I will go to the field and...
They're alive.
How am I supposed to expose dead stuff?
No, doesn't indigenous give past tense? Or maybe it's me. It's me, ne?
It's you.
It's not. Oh.
Indigenous native species.
Oh! Lord! I feel like I should have used another word, because in my head I'm thinking past things like you find in the museum. Sorry. Now it's time for random question. Beautiful. Are you ready?
I am ready.
I'm also ready. I feel like a kid right now. Man. So how it works is you're not gonna explain anything to me.
Okay.
I ask you your boyfriend or your ex, that's it. And then we'll judge you from there. But I'm not gonna ask you that question. Don't worry, you can breathe. Sharp. Ready?
Yes.
Fish or invertebrates?
Fish.
Publishing papers or presenting at a conference?
Publishing papers.
Why does it sound like you're not sure, my sister?
Because when you're presenting, it's done and over with. Okay. With the papers, it's though.
So don't you wanna and be done with it?
No, because that's very nerve-wracking as well.
Oh, but so sharp. Sublethal effects or lethal endpoints?
Sublethal effects.
What's that?
So it's basically when I expose them, you can check on their behavior, their heart rate, and oxygen. Whereas the lethal endpoints is you kill them and they die. So I'm choosing sublethal endpoints.
You don't want to be a medara?
No.
Sharp. So last question. Out of your field, series or movies?
Series.
Thank you so much for tuning into this episode with Bertie and Simone, learning about Daphnia the Magna. Bye.